with 2x noodle, we are going to burn our ass. Please pray for me, okay? My ass gonna burn it slowly. Okay. Hello my family, today we're going to have this 2x spicy noodle again. Okay, let's undress it. Oh, so sexy.
Oh no.
Let's start cooking. I just added noodles, the 2 spicy noodles. Whew, I know I'm gonna love it again. Ew, some animals are inside. I cook with black animal, no problem. That also meat, so we are going to have it. Okay, now it's already ready, so I'm just adding out the noodles, and now we are going to mix with the sauces as the sauce. Okay, the 2 sauce. Let's mix. Okay, it's done, and I'm adding the seasoning, and I'm gonna add extra sesame seed. This is it. Ooh, and some veg. We're going to have with all this veg. It's going to be a good one. Stay tuned. Let me eat, and you guys watch me. Hi guys, welcome back to another mukbang. As you see, I'm so dull today as I sleep the whole afternoon, and in my dream I was lying on the top of the noodles, and when I woke up and when I woke up I feel like eating noodles, so I just bought 2 packets of 2x noodle, and with 2x noodle we are going to burn our ass. And with this green chili, it's very big, very huge.
Oh no.
Anyway, let me tell you all the table.
What?
Let me tell you all the table. Here we got green chili, and this one is duck egg, and 2x cabbage, long beans, a wild onion. So this one is melon and tomato, cucumber, the soup, and some wine. Anyway, before eating, let's pray. I thought my brother is going to help me eating this one, but he don't want to join. He say that you have to keep for me, so I'm gonna keep it for him again. Yep. Kecil put. Let's burn with this. Nani may ko to 5 packets, 10 packets ni zo ako so. Pagkat mo. Okay, let's start with this cucumber. Very thumbs. I don't think I will finish all this one, but let's hit it. Please pray for me, okay? So dry, so spicy.
so good, but very spicy. Các tùy cần lên miếng xịt đạn. À, thật hiểu không? Ooh. Yummy. Thật thôi ạ. Thật các bạn. Yummy. Good job. Oh. For eggs tonight. It's so spicy. Deep nut. Okay, let's end it here. Thanks for watching, guys. My ass gonna burn it slowly. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.